Hello everyone. Today we are going to see Chapter 5, M-Commerce. Mobile commerce is also known as M-Commerce. Buying and selling of goods or services through the internet-enabled wireless devices such as a mobile phone, PDAs, personal digital assistants, smartphone, tablet, palm top. These devices are carried by the user wherever he goes to access internet from any place. Customers can conduct business without being fixed at a computer or being physically present at the shop. It allows real-time transaction while on the move. As the popularity of smartphones and tablets is increasing day by day, more users are moving towards the use of M-commerce. Some of the examples of M-commerce are 1. Purchasing airline and railway tickets, 2. Purchasing movie or concert tickets, 3. Restaurant, hotel booking and reservation, 4. Stock market analysis. Banks and other financial institutions are increasingly using M-commerce to retain their business. They allow their customers to access account balance, stock quotes, make transaction via mobile phones. This service is known as mobile banking or M-banking. The stock market services offered via mobile devices is also becoming popular and known as mobile brokerage. Benefits of M-commerce. The ease of availability and faster speed has made M-commerce more popular nowadays. The web design and development companies have also optimized the websites such that it can be viewed correctly on mobile device. M-commerce is the integration of wireless networks accessed through handheld devices and internet. The benefits of internet and e-commerce are offered by M-commerce also. Advantages of M-commerce. It provides convenience to the user. In just a few clicks on the mobile device, the user can do shopping, banking and download media files while on the move. Mobile device enables the user to be contacted at virtually any time and anywhere. Reduces transaction cost, time of order. The user does not need to be on the PC or laptop to order. Provide global reach 24/7. Advantages of M-commerce. Flexibility of accessing the information through any mobile devices. Payment can be done using the mobile devices itself like personal computer. Useful to deliver critical and emergency information. Easily identifies the physical location of devices. Customized alerts can be easily received on mobile devices. Instant connectivity and availability of faster 3G, 4G services has made M-commerce more popular these days. Timely information can reach the user. As you know, coin has two sides. M-commerce has benefits and limitations. Let us have a glance on limitation of M-commerce. Today, the handheld devices have limited screen size. This further limits the types of files and data transfer. At times it is difficult to display videos. User interface is less convenient compared to a PC. Mobiles have limited computing power, memory and storage capacity. It operates over wireless networks which are less secured as compared to wired network. It offers a limited bandwidth. High cost of establishing mobile and wireless broadband infrastructure. Application of M-commerce. Mobile marketing and advertising. Today, companies are using M-commerce to expand their services from marketing to advertisement. Mobile advertising is the most popular ways for companies to reach a large audience. Advertising on internet has become a major source of revenue for most of the portals. An advertisement placed on the mobile device of the user can thus be made on personal requirements and location specific. It can update the users about the various discounts and schemes available in the nearby areas of the current location of the user. M-ticketing. Users can easily buy tickets for air or rail travel, movies etc. The tickets can be sent to the user's mobile devices. Tickets can also be easily cancelled on the mobile phones using the application or accessing the portals of travel agent. This helps in reducing the traffic and the parking problems which are increasing day by day as the user need not travel to the place for buying tickets. If we want to book an online ticket using mobile device, first we have to provide the username and password. After booking, the user gets an e-ticket message from IRCTC on the mobile devices which can be presented at the time of traveling. Mobile auctions. The auction sites are becoming more popular these days. Mobile devices further help in increasing the reach of these auction sites. A user while on the move can access these sites, make a bid, monitor bids and take a timely action on the bidding process. Many of the auction sites have built gateways and interfaces to provide access to mobile devices through wireless networks. The user can bid for the products using the mobile devices. Mobile entertainment. Mobiles are used extensively for listening audio, viewing video and playing games. Users can subscribe and can search for songs, videos or games and easily download them. Entertainment services such as pay-per download, pay-per event or on subscription basis can cater to a large number of mobile users and are willing to pay for the services. Mobile purchase. Mobile purchase allow customers to shop online anytime anywhere. Customer can browse and order products while using a secure payment method. Instead of using paper catalog, retailer can send a list of products that a customer would be interested in, directly to their mobile device. The retailers can also track the customers and notify them of discounts.
Mobile financial services. Today, many popular banks and financial institutions use m-commerce. They allow their customers to access account information, perform transactions like stock purchase, remit money, via mobile phones and other mobile equipments. After getting registered, the customer can avail the services that are provided by the bank on his mobile. The customer can check their balance, transfer the funds to any other bank account, place request for a checkbook and can avail many other services from their mobile device. Mobile information services. A wide variety of information services can be delivered to mobile phone users in much the same way as it is delivered to personal computers. The services include news services, stock market data, sport news, financial records, traffic information. Location and search services. The location of the mobile phone user is an important piece of information used during mobile commerce transaction. For example, consumer waiting to buy a smartphone within certain price limit and specification would be interested in knowing that nearest location of the store where he can get the desired product. In this case, it is important that the location and search service should be able to provide the list of stores in the city or nearby areas of the mobile user's current location. Knowing the location of the mobile user allows vendors to provide location-based services such as local maps, local offers, local weather, vehicle tracking and monitoring. Mobile device can also be used to get directions to particular place, movie theater, restaurant or hospital. L-commerce. With more and more wireless handheld devices like PDAs, cellular phone and pocket PCs, there are significant opportunities for the growth of m-commerce. Although mobile commerce enables access to goods and services regardless of the location of buyer or seller. In many situations the specific location of the buyer and seller is important to the transaction. To locate a point, a mobile device will utilize 3 satellites to create an intersecting point that locates the device within 500 meters. This is known as triangulation. If the GPS signal is poor, weak or blocked, the mobile device can use the signals from cell tower and Wi-Fi hotspots. These signals do not broadcast their own locations, but smartphone companies use database that stores the locations of these sources. Another example of location-based services is maps to find the path to the destination. The current location is indicated using blue color pointer. Location-based services offers convenience and opportunity to provide services that are more quick or precise and can meet a customer's needs. Examples of location-based applications are information or directory services. Dynamic yellow pages automatically inform the users about the nearest restaurants, parking facility, traffic updates. Tracking services. Locating friends in a geographic location, tracking stolen cars, tracking of children by parents. Emergency services, like ambulance, search and rescue mission, roadside assistance, police and fire response. Advertising promotion, targeted ads, promotional message, customer identification in a store. Mapping, creating maps of specific geographical location. Navigation, plotting route from one place to another. Security issues. Internet is a public network system that consists of thousands of private computer networks. Private computer networks are exposed to potential threats from anywhere on the public network. Internet provides good opportunity to the businesses but along with new risks. The valuable data or information that travels on the internet may be misused, stolen, corrupted or lost. For example, while making online purchase on the e-commerce website, customer needs to provide the credit card number and the personal details. This information is transmitted to the merchant server. E-commerce, m-commerce sites have to keep their online data such as customers' personal details, their bank details and many more safe. They have to be aware of all the frauds that are taking place nowadays. As e-commerce deals with payments, they have more security issues. They are at more risk of being targeted than other normal websites. Thus, it becomes very important to secure data on internet. The security must meet 4 important aspects as mentioned. The merchant server sends it to the issuing bank for authorization through payment gateway. All transactions occur on the public network, i.e. internet. An unauthorized user may read credit card number during the transmission and misuse it later on. Also, these are possibilities that order information might be changed in between. If customer ordered 10 items, somehow merchant receives order of 100 items, he would ask us to pay for 100 items. An intruder can steal or tamper information anywhere in the world while sitting on his computer. He can create new programs and run them on remote computers, causing it to malfunction or break down in worst cases while hiding his identity. Confidentiality. It refers to the secrecy of the information so that an authorized user cannot read it. It is achieved by using cryptography, in which all the messages transmitted are encrypted and only the receiver can read it after decrypting the message using appropriate key. This protects the data from private attacks and ensures that the message is not revealed or leaked to anyone as it travels to the destination. It helps in protecting the confidential data like credit card number. Integrity. It ensures that the information must not be accidentally or maliciously altered or tampered in transit. The receiver should receive the same message as was sent by the sender. If the message is altered in between the transition, it should be detected. This removes the problem of modifying the order quantity in between and later creating the payment problems.